Well, I'm going to do a fairly short video today. Going to take the 706 here outside, get it washed up. I've got it in my garage to do some work on it over the winter. For one, this remote valve right here leaks like a sieve out of that little hole. You can see all the hay dust that's accumulated back here. The other thing I'd like to do is take the MCV valve off, send that out and have it rebuilt. Probably do a service on it, oil change, fuel filters, air filter, all that good stuff. Maybe even try to do some wiring on it, because this tractor doesn't have any lights or anything like that. But just a little bit on this tractor. It's a 1967 706 and it has the D310 German diesel engine in it. It's got roughly 9,800 hours on it. I overhauled this engine about 2 years ago. Got all new liners, pistons, rod and main bearings. Let's see what else. Had the head rebuilt, had the injectors rebuilt, new radiator, new oil pump. Split it, put a new clutch in it, new rear main seal, new input shaft in the transmission. But I'm going to get the pressure washer set up, get the tractor outside. I'll bring you guys back in just a moment. Well, now that it's all good and clean, I've got all winter to mess with it as I have the time. Depending on the weather here in September, there is a possibility we might get a third cutting. If there is, I'll be sure to get a video of that. But yeah, the 706 is going to have to sit third cut out if we do get it. It's going to be a busy winter. But until next time, thanks for watching.